So if you have loads of information, and to help it all make sense, you need to find out, well, you're not completely sure. About something, what, where, and if your data's not organized, and it's varied in format, then deep learning can be a very effective solution. So what is deep learning? It's automated feature extraction, right? So while other machine learning techniques need human-defined classifiers, deep learning automates the process. Several years ago, researchers started applying this automated deep learning technique to neural networks for amazing results, to solutions in a fast-growing number of industries. Okay, let's back up for 1 minute and glance at old school data where data scientists have been using machine learning for decades, and far beyond that, data analytics techniques like statistics, mathematics, programming, and creative problem solving to extract insights and information from data to draw conclusions. So when these computations are performed simultaneously, in parallel with GPUs, it's GPU accelerated data systems like machine learning, which also uses statistics techniques like correlation, modeling, linear regression, but it relies on humans to define the feature extractors, which are the classifiers used to sort the data. So, for instance, if you've ever used an email filter, then you've used the bag of learning techniques to clean out your inbox, available for over 20 years. Well, as smartphones, webcams, social media, and all kinds of sensors that generate huge amounts of data have arrived, with them, this new challenge of identifying the many features within that data and the correlations between the data that actually matter. This is where deep learning steps up to the plate. Again, thanks to the early researchers who not only published their algorithms and neural network models in research papers in scientific journals, but they also released their software packaged up in high-level open source frameworks, enabling others to build on top of their work instead of starting from scratch. So now, with deep learning, feature extraction is automated, and we call it feature engineering, which is then applied to large amounts of data to train deep neural networks capable of achieving human-level accuracy and exceeding expectations in many areas. Let's quickly look at a few examples to help you understand how to approach any problem you may need solving and what deep learning tasks might work best, while we look at some of the ways that it's already being applied in the next video.
Black magic, you work your voodoo on me. Black magic, the things you do to me, yeah. Black magic, just like that.